Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow creators. Start by opening your browser and heading to the back end of your WordPress website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages and then go to All Pages. You'll see a list of all the pages on your site. Pick the one you want to work on. For example, I'm using the example page, and click the Edit with Elementor button next to it. Once you're inside Elementor, click on any section you want to customize. I selected the part that says, "This is an Elementor test page," and hit the small Edit icon. Now, head over to the left panel. You'll see the Edit Heading section. Click on the Style tab, scroll to the bottom, and you'll find the Text Color option. There will be two icons, one for global color settings with the globe icon, and another for solid or gradient options. Click the second one and choose any color you like. Now, your heading has a fresh new look. But what if you want just one word to be a different color? Like making only the word Elementor turn red or blue. Easy. Go to the Content tab where you typed your heading and insert this little HTML trick. Put "This is an" part first. Then write the code, Elementor. Then put the part, Test Page. You can swap out red for any color, yellow, green, blue, or whatever you want. This changes only the word wrapped inside the font tag, not the whole sentence. So, if you want just one word to pop, this is the way to do it. Here's another quick tip. If you want to mix things up, you can use the HTML method to color one specific word, and then use the Style tab to give a gradient color to the rest of the heading. For example, keep the Elementor blue using the HTML code, and set the rest of the text to green using the Text Color option in Style. And that's it! You've now got full control over how each word in your Elementor heading looks. Finally, if you found this helpful and you're thinking about getting Elementor Pro, my affiliate link is in the description. It doesn't cost you extra, but it supports the channel a ton. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.